वेलकम बैक टू कम्युनिटी राउंडअप। दिस इज गीतांजलि। इंडियन कल्चरल सोसाइटी ऑफ न्यू जर्सी ऑर्गेनाइज करने जा रही है नवरात्रि फेस्टिवल 2014, जिसमें आईसीएस ने किया है कम्युनिटी को इनवाइट। इस इवेंट की थीम रखी गई है युवाओं को ध्यान में रखकर। और क्या होगा खास इस इवेंट में, जानने के लिए चलते हैं आईसीएस मेंबर्स की मीटिंग में।
स्पिरिट और मस्ती से भरी होती है नवरात्रि, तभी तो झूमती है कम्युनिटी गरबा की ताल पर। कम्युनिटी को रहता है नवरात्रि का बेसब्री से इंतजार। इंडियन कल्चरल सोसाइटी ऑफ न्यू जर्सी ऑर्गेनाइज करने जा रही है नवरात्रि फेस्टिवल 2014, जिसकी तैयारियां जोर शोर से चल रही हैं। इसी इवेंट की ऑफिशियल अनाउंसमेंट के लिए न्यू जर्सी में हुई एक मीटिंग, जिसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया सभी आईसीएस मेंबर्स ने।
We want to support the local artists. I'm a small businessman, and small businessman always supports small business people. And I always tell my friends, I always even put on my Facebook, go and support and go and buy at the local market and the local downtown. And with that said, I'm applying all that knowledge in ICS right now. We have two local beautiful groups performing on September 26th and 27th and October 3rd and 4th right here locally. Rakesh Raj and Forum Shah will be performing at Dawn Sports Center, Elizabeth, New Jersey. And we all need to do that, because local artists, who is going to support if we don't support them? So ICS, who has been doing this for 29 years, is pleased to announce that we are here for local people. So all of you also please come to our Garba in Elizabeth High School and support us. You scratch my back and I scratch yours, and we're gonna have a wonderful time.
We have like a capacity of like 3,000 people. Our program start around 8 o'clock and stay until 2 o'clock in the night. And we have a full security, so don't worry about it, about parking or security. We have enough police and fire department is helping us. And on 26 and 27, we have Forum Shah, and on 3rd and October 3rd and 4th, we have a Rakesh Raj. So please do join on Navratri festival. This is the biggest festival of ICS, and please support us and please come with the family and friends. Thank you.
आईसीएस के नवरात्रि फेस्टिवल 2014 का आयोजन होगा सितंबर लास्ट वीकेंड और अक्टूबर फर्स्ट वीकेंड पर, और इस इवेंट का वेन्यू है एलिजाबेथ हाई स्कूल।
We have a Navratri kickoff party today, and we had about 150 guests, and trustees, donor, volunteers, and general public. Media was here, and one of the media was TV Asia, and I thanks everybody. And we have a Navratri celebration going on in Elizabeth Dawn Sports Center, October 26th and 7th, and September 26th and 27th, and October 3rd and 4th. So please, I'm inviting all the New Jerseyan, come to the Dawn Center in Elizabeth to celebrate our Navratri Garba.
ICS is doing Navratri celebration for last 28 years and more. This is our biggest event. Entire year we are doing almost 4 or 5 events together in a year, and this is the this is the biggest event whatever we are doing. This year the new thing is we have a very good new young team, young committee, and with the young talent and young force, we are giving you assurance that this year will be a very huge success. With the help of TV Asia and you all, please join us together with your friends, family, and neighbors to celebrate Navratri 2014 with us.
ICS is a cultural and social organization जिसका मकसद है इंडियन कल्चर को प्रमोट और प्रिजर्व करना। ICS नवरात्रि 2014 सेलिब्रेशंस होंगे खास क्योंकि इस बार इवेंट की थीम है यूथफुल। ICS को उम्मीद है कि कम्युनिटी से इवेंट को मिलेगा अच्छा रिस्पांस और स्पेशल होंगे ICS के गरबा रास।
वेल फिलहाल तो संगीतमय हुआ सियाटल में समाज अब आयोजित हुई संगीत संध्या, which was organized by Indian Performing Arts Project with the motive to promote art and talent. Catch the glimpses of performing classical Indian art.
What is more beautiful than performing arts? थम जाता है जैसे सब कुछ जब मंच पर होता है अद्भुत कला का प्रदर्शन। कुछ पल के लिए सुंदर लगता है सब कुछ जब होता है संगीत हर ओर। मौका था संगीत संध्या at East Bahai Center in Bellevue का, which was organized by Indian Performing Arts Project. इस प्रोजेक्ट का मोटिव है to promote Indian performing arts and artists.
Purpose of the organization is to promote Indian performing arts and artists. There are many talented artists, established as well as up and coming in the neighborhood and all across USA. What the initiative that I created plans to do and intends to do is to give a platform for all these artists, which will give them an opportunity to not only perform but improve their talent, share their talent. And what it does is it gives the audience, entertains the audience, and it also gives the audience an opportunity to learn the amazing art form, our Indian culture and Indian music, dance, and the various art forms that we have. So that was the thought behind the initiative. So today we had Sangeet Sandhya, which was the first event that was organized under IPAP Seattle banner. We got a very good response. So far, people have really good things to say and are really interested in attending future performances.
There were performances by children as well as professionals. तबला पर सत्यजीत लिमाय ने जैसे समा बांध दिया. Other performances included Hindustani vocal by Yogesh Ratnaparkhi, harmonium by Deepashri Joglekar.
We have actually started this organization just at the beginning of this year. The main goal behind this organization is actually to promote the knowledge of and about Indian arts. So we have very many organizations here in the Seattle area, but what we actually hope to do is actually engage with the younger audience and get them to engage with us so that we can actually distribute and learn, and together we can actually enjoy the arts for the younger audience. Towards that, actually, we have our first program here today called Sangeeta Sandhya. We started off by actually very young artists who are about 3 to 8 year olds who performed actually probably their first performance on stage. They were playing tabla, bansuri, and then a couple of them were actually playing harmonium. So that was a good start to the program, followed by actually a couple of maybe older artists, and when I say older, they are about 16 or 20 years, who performed with the bansuri. The one after that was an accomplished artist who actually comes from India, and he performed actually Puriya Kalyan actually for the audience.
एक दिल को छूने वाली कहानी कथक डांस फॉर्म के जरिए सुनाई सोनाली थापुर ने, who spoke to us about her performance.
Today I performed a 30-minute Kathak solo. Kathak is an Indian classical dance from North India, and a main aspect of Kathak is storytelling. So my performance included a story as well as a thought, which was highlighting the 4 aspects of Indian classical dance and characterized by very crisp and sharp movements and stances.
यानी मंत्र मुग्ध करने वाली थी संगीत की ये शाम, जिसके चलते कला और कलाकार दोनों को मिला मंच, and community could witness the beauty of Indian performing arts.
तो मिलेंगे फिर एक बार कल कुछ और खास खबरें लेकर कम्युनिटी राउंड अप में, जो जोड़े रखेगा आपको आपकी संस्कृति और परंपरा से हर पल। तो देखते रहिए टीवी एशिया। नमस्कार।